Ethan had worked for years to build his savings, $42,000. Every dollar earned through overtime shifts, weekend freelance work, and a small online business he dreamed of turning into a full company. He wasn't rich, but for the first time he felt close to changing his life. And because he trusted his older brother Marcus more than anyone, Ethan left the money in a joint account they opened years ago, thinking it would be safe while he prepared to register his business. One morning, Ethan woke up to a bank alert that froze him in place. Your balance is $2,004. Confused, he checked the history, and his stomach dropped. Marcus had withdrawn everything Taj the night before. No text, no warning, just gone. Ethan called him again and again, but Marcus ignored every call. When he finally confronted him in person, Marcus didn't even look ashamed. He simply said, "I needed it more than you." No apology, no explanation, just cold, casual betrayal. The pain wasn't just about the money, it was the trust. The years of helping each other, all shattered by one selfish decision. For days, Ethan sank into frustration and embarrassment. That money was supposed to be his escape, his chance to finally start a real business. Now he felt like someone had ripped the future out of his hands. But after a week of drowning in anger, something inside him changed. If he had nothing left, then he also had nothing to be afraid of. So he made a choice. Start again, from zero. With just $2 to his name, Ethan took every small online job he could find. $20 logo gigs, short marketing tasks, small SEO fixes. He spent nights teaching himself everything about e-commerce and digital ads. Every dollar he earned went straight back into improving his skills. His first month he made $250, then $800. 6 months later, he hit $4,000. Within a year, Ethan was earning over $15,000 a month, running digital campaigns and managing online brands. He built a small team, opened an agency, and created the life he thought he lost the day Marcus emptied the account. Then the plot twist came. Marcus showed up one afternoon, broke, panicking, drowning in debt. The bad investment he used Ethan's money on had completely collapsed. With nowhere else to go, he asked Ethan for help. For a moment, Ethan felt the old hurt. But instead of yelling or seeking revenge, he simply said, "You didn't take my future. You pushed me to build a better one." Ethan didn't give him money, but he offered him a job, starting at the lowest position. And now the same brother who once stole everything reports to him every week. Ethan's success became his revenge, not by harming someone back, but by proving that betrayal doesn't end your story. Sometimes it's the chapter that forces you to grow into who you were meant to be.